Dang, it's been a long time. I haven't made a video in a while, but I have my Rx8 back. I'm gonna change a hose today, but here it is. And the hose I'm gonna be changing, it's this one. I don't know if anyone has changed it before, but what had happened was that I switched this out and I needed more room, so I moved this box. And when I did that, I tore that hose. So it's the hose that goes to the throttle body, and it's got a rip somewhere right there. Tiniest of rip, but it was spewing coolant everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that replaced. So all I'm using is just these pliers. I use the flashlight to see if I can chase it, and it looks like it goes underneath, just underneath the alternator. You can kind of see it right there, and then it pokes to be, once it focuses, this one right here, this one, that one. So I just took it off up top right here, and I just kind of wiggled it so it can break loose, and then I'm just gonna feed it, slide it out and then feed it through. It probably would have been easier if I removed the battery, and whoever did this last tucked it in underneath, or maybe it goes like that, but for just time's sake, I'm gonna run it over the top and then connect it. But just so it wouldn't leak out everywhere, here's the new hose. I just popped the other one out. It's still right behind it, and then I just popped this one real quick right in there, just to get it from not spilling so much. And then I just gotta clamp it in there. So I just did the quick switcheroo, and then I'm just gonna run it over the top and then connect it. And I'm gonna take the clamp from the bottom one out so I can just pull this one out and then clamp it over. It would just take too much time to tuck it nicely how it was. But yeah, it's not as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. All right, hose is on and ready to go. Got the clamp in there. And if we'll focus, yeah. Clamped in down there. There it is. And it almost feels like it should go over the top, but I don't know. And you can see it's right here. There it is. You can see where this one was ripped. So yeah, I had to get replaced. They do sell a kit for like $130, over $100, and you get every hose. But I got the replacement one for this one on eBay for like 10 bucks. So not bad. I also filled the hose with coolant so I can minimize air bubbles. I poured some in the throttle body, poured in the hose until it overfilled. Then I topped this off. Now I'm gonna turn it on, warm it up, and then take it for a test drive. This held pretty good. Got the new sensor. This is from Bennett Built, and he'll send it to you pretty soon. I thought it was gonna take longer, but it didn't. It came in the mail before I even knew it. And yeah, I'm gonna warm it up. All right, let's see how she does. I was waiting for the part for almost a week. It was expected by Friday, and it came in Thursday, and I ordered it, I want to say Monday. So not too long, but it is freaking cold. Let's see how she does.
Wait for connection.
Starts right up. Just had the engine rebuilt not that long ago by someone I know that works on rotaries. And yeah, ever since then, good compression. I might need some fuel. Just gonna let it warm up, and I'm gonna check for leaks. So far so good, no leaks, thankfully. Everything looking good. Now I'm gonna take it for a test drive. Alright. Warmed up. You can probably hear the brakes release right now, because my caliper's stick. I don't know if the caliper's thick or the disc and the brakes thick. It releases right away though. Just gonna take a spin. Drive it for that whole time that it had that crack, because I just didn't want to overheat it and risk it for obvious reasons. But I missed it. Once I get into like a longer road, then I'll whip red line. I need to get the check engine light is for the O2 sensors, but I want to change my cat because on the body it has over 170,000. I think my cat is going bad, so I'm just gonna get a mid pipe. I'd love to get some headers and stuff, but we'll see. Okay, finally made it to some back road. Seems good. I know we can't trust these gauges, but hopefully I can get some aftermarket ones later. But let's go check for leaks. Engine's still there for now. And wow, no leaks. Cool. That's it. Laters.